Welcome children. Today's worksheet number 19, metals and non-metals. In this worksheet we will revise the physical properties of metals and non-metals. We have learned so many things about the metals and non-metals. Today we will do the division by comparing the physical properties of metals and non-metals. First one is appearance. Appearance, the metals are generally shiny or lustrous, but non-metals are dull except iodine. Iodine is a non-metal which is lustrous. Second is state. All metals are generally solid at room temperature except mercury. Mercury is a metal which is liquid at room temperature and is used in thermometer. Non-metals are generally exist in all the three states like solid, liquid or gas. Next property is hardness. Generally metals are hard except these two metals, sodium and potassium. Sodium and potassium are metals which are soft and can be cut with a knife very easily. Generally, non-metals are comparatively soft as compared to the metals and they are brittle except diamond. Diamond is a non-metal which is hard as stone substance. Malleability. Generally all metals are malleable. What do you mean by malleable? Malleable means metals can be beaten into thin sheets. While the non-metals are brittle, therefore they are non-malleable. What do you mean by brittle? Brittle means break down into pieces when beaten. Ductility. Next property is ductility. Generally metals are ductile in nature, means they can be drawn into wires. While the non-metals are non-ductile, these are brittle. Conductivity. Next property is conductivity. Metals are good conductors of heat and electricity, while the non-metals are poor conductors or insulator of heat and electricity. They don't allow to pass through them electricity or heat. That is why they are poor conductor of electricity or heat. Next property is sonorous. These are metals are sonorous. It means they produce ringing sound. Due to this property, bells are made up of metals. And non-metals are not sonorous. They do not produce any ringing sound on hitting by hard substance. Next are examples are given to you of metals. Generally metals which we use in our day-to-day life and non-metals. Examples of non-metals: iron, gold, copper, aluminium, magnesium, silver, sodium, calcium. All these are examples of metal, while the carbon, oxygen, nitrogen, chlorine, sulfur, iodine, all these are examples of non-metals. Now we will discuss the question answer. Your first question is name two metals that can be cut by knife. So you have to write the names of two metals. These are sodium and potassium. You can write these two names. First one is sodium and second one is potassium. Your next question is why bells in the temple are made up of metals. तो बच्चों मेटल जो बेल होती हैं टेम्पल्स में उन्हें हम मेटल से या बाय यूजिंग मेटल्स क्यों बनाते हैं. सो metals produce ringing sound by hitting by the hard substance, due to which bells are made up of metals. Or you can write metals are sonorous, so due to this property bells are made up of metals. Next question is name four metals and non-metals found in your surroundings. So you can write name of four metals. First one is iron, second one is gold, third copper, and fourth aluminum. You might have seen all these metals. And you can write for non-metals: carbon, oxygen, nitrogen, and iodine. So you can write names of metals and non-metals. Now fourth question, differentiate between metals and non-metals. So answer of this question, you have to write the all physical properties of metals and non-metals in the form of table, and that is the differentiation between metals and non-metals. Thanks for watching.